product name Keurig K-Cafe Special Edition Single Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee, Latte, and Cappuccino Maker, comes with dishwasher safe milk frother, shot capability, nickel. Material plastic. Brand Keurig. Color nickel. Capacity 1419.53 cubic centimeters. Voice command buttons. About this item. Special edition, complement your kitchen with the premium nickel-colored finish, metal handle and drip tray. 4 cup sizes, 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounce. Simple button controls, just insert any K-cup pod and use the button controls to brew delicious coffee, or make hot or iced lattes and cappuccinos. 120V. Large 60-ounce water reservoir, allows you to brew 6 cups before having to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. Removable reservoir makes refilling easy. Smart Start, your coffee maker heats, then brews in one simple process, no need to wait for it to heat before selecting your cup size. Energy efficient, programmable auto-off feature automatically turns your brewer off 2 hours after the last brew for energy savings. Travel mug friendly, accommodates travel mugs up to 7.2 inches tall and is top rack dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. 16.7 inch H, with handle open.